We will see how to draw a box around text in Word. There are three quick methods. Let's get started. In the first method, you can go to the Insert tab, then under the Shapes, select the option Rectangle, or you can also select Rounded Rectangle. After selecting, draw a rectangle on the text. However, note that this rectangle will have color, so you need to go to the Format Shape and under the field select the option No Field. And if you want to change the thickness of the border, then you can enter here next to the width, for example 3 points, and press enter, so it will make the border thick. You can also change the color of the border if required. So this is one method. Another method is go to the Insert tab, then click on Text Box. Select Draw Text Box and draw a text box on the text. This text box is also not a transparent text box, so we also need to remove the color like before. And from here also you can change the thickness of the text box border and color as well. You can also do one more thing. You can just copy the text and then place it inside the text box. So whenever you move the text box, the text will also move along with it. In the last method, you just need to select the text, go to the borders option here and select the option All Border. So these are the three ways to draw a box around text in Word. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn more about Microsoft Word quickly. See you again in the next one.